Greetings everyone, my name is Muskan. My team name is Superior 6. We are the students of Panipat Institute of Engineering and Technology. We are working on the problem given by the Ministry of Communications. Our problem code is PJ238. Our problem statement is cost-effective, innovative solution for long distance, that is around 3 to 8 kilometers wireless broadband connectivity to sparsely located individual households in rural areas. Under BharatNet project of Department of Telecom, fibers have been provided to more than a lakh of Gram Panchayats, but extending broadband connectivity from these Gram Panchayat ONTs to individual households located at a distance of 3 to 8 kilometers is a problem, and Wi-Fi connectivity has a short range problem. So here we have a solution.
Hello, my name is Gaurav and I am going to tell about the idea proposal and the components required to make the antenna. We have made a very much cost-effective and innovative antenna which easily covers the range of 2 to 3 km, which is very suitable for local area network, and we have used pfSense firewall to protect it. Now let us see how it is made. We have to cut 7 metal discs. 3 are of 37 mm and rest are of 38 mm, 54 mm, 68 mm and 90 mm respectively. In 68 mm disc, we have to make a pinch type hole 25 mm apart from the center of disc, and in 90 mm disc, we have to make a hole 24 mm apart from the center of disc. Further, we have to make hole in the center of each disc. Now, Navya will demonstrate antenna's construction.
My name is Navya. Now, as we have our components, let's see how we are going to assemble it. Firstly, pass the rod through the center of the discs in ascending order of their sizes. Now, fix the first 5 discs with nuts and all should be 30 mm apart from each other. The last second disc should be placed at 9 mm distance and the last disc should be at 10 mm distance. Now, fix the coaxial cable connector with the last disc and solder copper cable of coaxial cable with the last second disc. This is how it looks and can easily be connected with our router by the coaxial cable.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarthak Sharma. Now we have made the antenna, but how it is gonna solve our problem? We will implant the router installed with unidirectional antenna where we have the broadband connection. Let this one be router A. It does transmission unidirectionally, which is further received by a receiver at another location which is planted with 2 routers, say B and C. B does transmission unidirectionally towards another receiver and C does transmission omnidirectionally and provides broadband to nearby users, say in a range of mile or more. By the double or triple repetition of the same, we will cover all the sectors of village.
As Sarthak already told about the work plan, so here comes the security point under this plan. To secure our network, we have used pfSense firewall. As this firewall has the package filtering ability, it will ensure us that no user will able to connect more than 2 routers at a time, and thus gives the benefit that the frequencies of the 2 routers will not interfere each other. We can also monitor trafficking through our system.
My name is Khushbu. The conclusion of our solution is that as compared to the wired system, it requires less maintenance and it is also very much cost-effective solution. It will not only provide long-range connectivity, but it will also secure our network and monitor it. We have used pfSense firewall, which will expand the working without compromising with the system security. We hope that we have been able to make you understand our project objective. Thank you everyone.